Okay, so what we have is a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it has a 4.7 liter V8. Single overhead cam. We've got a brand new melling lifter. It cost everything but like $7, okay, from O'Reilly. The dealer wants $25, and of course, the dealer has bumped their head in a big way. I called them up, wanted one, I was going to order it, I was going to give them the money, and they did not want my money. They did not order it, so I'm not going to get it. So you just pop that little guy in place, there you are. Bob's your uncle. Okay, so change your oil, and please use a good filter. Do not use a cheapest filter that you can possibly buy. Maybe go for a Wix or so and use synthetic oil, and things like this don't happen. So hopefully number 8 cylinder will work again. Okay, y'all have a good day. Thank you.